Welcome to FullSpec Motors, the home of luxury, speed and stunning car features. Front view. The front look of the Mercedes-AMG GT Black Series is stunning with its low aggressive stance. A massive Panamericana grille dominates the face. LED headlights pierce through with sharp detail, and the carbon fiber front splitter hints at the power beneath. This is a supercar born on the racetrack. Side profile. From the side, the AMG GT Black Series looks like a missile on wheels. Its long sleek hood, wide body and aerodynamic design show pure performance. The carbon side skirts and black forged wheels add a fierce touch. This car hugs the ground with confidence. Rear view. At the back, a massive fixed rear wing commands attention. The slim LED tail lights and the sculpted diffuser create a dramatic look. Dual exhausts sit low, hinting at the roar this machine produces. This rear screams track ready. Interior dashboard. Step inside and you're in a fighter jet cockpit. Carbon fiber runs across the dashboard. The digital cluster glows with performance data, and the flat bottom AMG steering wheel invites serious driving. This is a place built for speed. Steering and display. The steering wheel is loaded with controls and feels perfect in hand. Behind it, the digital screen displays speed boost levels, gear shifts and driving modes. Everything is customizable and focused on the driver. Seats and comfort. The racing seats are sculpted from carbon fiber wrapped in leather and Alcantara with orange contrast stitching. They offer ultimate support and comfort even at high speeds. Every detail speaks performance. Engine and performance. Under the hood lies a hand-built V8 twin-turbo engine producing over 700 horsepower. Acceleration is brutal from 0 to 100 in just 3.2 seconds. The sound is pure thunder. This engine defines the Black Series. Wheels and brakes. The black AMG forged wheels are wrapped in high-performance Michelin tires. Behind them are carbon ceramic brakes with orange calipers delivering insane stopping power. The setup is built for ultimate control. Tech and features. Technology meets motorsport with the AMG Track Pace system. Inside the infotainment screen you can view lap times, telemetry and more. With modes for comfort, sport and race, everything is tuned for performance. Final look and price. And here is the full look of the AMG GT Black Series, a beast in matte black, aggressive, elegant and powerful. The price starts from $325,000, a supercar with no compromises. Thanks for watching FullSpec Motors. Subscribe for the next ride into speed and style.